Whoa. Show me. Come over here. Arbor, what you got? Show me. Show me how you throw it. Good job, Andrew. Wow, that was a long time without it hitting the ground. Go, girl, go. Come over here together. Woo. Oh, you're going to hit the table, sweetheart. Go out here. Okay, now. Not too far. I can't see ya. I think you're trying to hide from me. Are you hiding from me? Arbor, show me. Show me how you hit your balloon. Oh, she's going to hide too. Oh, tell me what you are with your, those are not fairy wings or butterfly wings. What are those? VV wings is his lightning bug. Turn around, let me see. Those are his lightning bug wings because he's a boy and they're bug wings. And Arbor, what are you wearing? You're wearing your butterfly wings, huh? Get that balloon.
What about?
What?
What about that thing that lights up on your bottom?
those are lightning bugs, just like BB. They light up on their bottoms. Yeah. Show me that balloon. Show me. You don't, but we're pretending anyway. Thank goodness you don't light up your bottom. Whoa!
I can do a trick.
Show me that trick. Wow. 1, 2. Oh, in the face.
In my nose.
Whoop. Bonk. 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 Good job, buddy. Keep it up. Keep it going. 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 Wow, you're amazing. Woo. Arbor, you too. You too. Kick that balloon.